Moderna, the ticker symbol is MRNA. This is obviously...
Oh, mRNA. I didn't realize that.
mRNA, what is that? Messenger ribonucleic acid. Yeah, that's
nice.
Look at you, big shot.
Moderna vaccine was the second one authorized for emergency use in the United States. It received FDA EAU on December 18th. I didn't know it was that quickly.
Oh my God, Moderna was at $14 a share less than 2 years ago.
Now this drastically changed versus Johnson & Johnson and Pfizer. I mean, it's the stock price. So
I remember when this thing. So I don't remember the reason that everybody was so hyped about Moderna pre-COVID, but there were so many people that you would look on forums and whatnot, and everyone loved Moderna. Now it's vaccine.
Now listen, I'm trying to sound smart here. Give me a second.
Go for it.
There are key differences with this one. The vaccine can be shipped and kept long term. You know, they're throwing some of these vaccines out in
because they can't keep the temperature
that's right.
cold enough.
In some of the more how would I say is rural parts of at least Ohio. I know intelligent folks like myself, Paul, I drove an hour to go get my vaccine. I mean, people are driving into the hillsides because they're throwing out vaccines. But in Moderna's case, this can be kept more long-term. Listen how incredible smart I sound. And it was less effective in clinical trials, about 86%. So here we go. Moderna. What's up, Paul?
Okay, so I'm going to go to Y charts here while our software updates.
The market cap for Moderna is?
About $60 billion.
Okay, that's far less than Johnson & Johnson or Pfizer. 60
Look at
bill.
this PE ratio.
Go ahead.
It's so low that it doesn't exist.
Is that good or bad?
That's a bad thing. That means it loses money. And let's go over here. It lost $750 million last year.
Okay, we're 2X's then, right?
2X's.
Well, what's the profit margin? Nothing. Okay.
Yeah, profit margin. In order to have profit margin, you must have
profits. Okay, pillar number 3 is revenue growth over the past 5. Maybe this is a fluke ball.
From 100 million to 800 million.
That's
check mark.
Okay.
But look at last year. Look at 2019. 60 million.
Oh my gosh.
It's a very new company, guys.
Okay.
Profit
is pillar number 4. We know this is not doing well.
Nope. Minus 216, minus 747. X. Well, guys, the good news is every year they've been in existence, they've lost more and more money.
Not good so far, huh? Shares outstanding. I'm assuming they're selling.
More good news, guys. 300 million to 381 million. X. So not only are they losing money hand over fist, they're also, I guess it's a good thing they're issuing shares though, because the shares are probably worth junk, and they're issuing that instead of taking debt. So good for them.
Okay. Yes, we're getting screenshots already from the patrons.
Are we?
Yes, of course. And there's Lily Live. Stop firing up Photoshop now. Thank you. We appreciate that. Current assets over current liabilities, Paul.
Well, here's the good news.
Okay.
6.3 billion versus 4.389, and total liabilities of 4.7. So they have plenty of cash on hand to pay all of their debts, not just the short-term ones.
That's the second check they've had out of 8, and the free cash flow growth over the past 5 years.
Please, Lord, who I love so much. Please, please, please let this be good. Oh!
Gone.
Well, hot diggity damn.
Gone.
Ready? 33 million?
Oh, I gotta go back to the calculator.
To 2 billion.
33 to 2.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna look. Let's not even do an average. And here's why. It's going from 33 to a loss of 380 to a loss of 430 to a loss of 500 to a gain of 2 billion. Now, the question you have to ask yourself is, where did this $2 billion come from? Can anybody guess?
A donation or something?
No, I'm assuming it's coming from this whole COVID thing, right?
That's called a joke, Paul. We're gonna.
Oh.
Yeah. Now let me pause you real quick. Okay, so yeah, you're not even taking that into account last year, right? Because it's not normal for them moving forward.
Guys, Moderna in general, I'm avoiding. $60 billion, even if this is replicable forever, it's still 30 times free cash flow in the last year. And it's a $60 billion company, so it's 1/8, 1/4 the size of Pfizer for having 1% of the revenue. I'm sorry, it doesn't add up to me. It's one of those examples where I'm avoiding the stock completely. I'm gonna wait until they have more of a pipeline of better drugs, more than one drug, and they're able to show me consistent revenue growth. I don't want the flyer on this one. Like, this is not the flyer is on the $100 million company, not the $60 billion company.
Okay, Mo, what are your thoughts on Moderna? Are we missing something with the trading aspect behind this company?
Yeah, so I pulled it up on my phone, and those of you that are following and have your charts, you're going to be able to see this. They are moving up. I mean, this is your perfect stock where you could put a tracker share if you had one. It is moving into that sweet spot, and I think we can get a run going up to $157, and if it can break that resistance level, 184. So it's moving up into the sweet spot. If we can just get a few more days of positive volume coming into it, there you go. You might have one.
Paul, you're not even giving a price target on Moderna.
No, I'm not even giving a price target. Like literally, to me, I'm not buying it unless it's so low that you guys will want to kill me. So I'm not even going to say a number, but remember, it's also increasing its shares. I mean, there's so many things working against it right now. The only way it works out well at this price range, in my opinion, is they hit on all cylinders. And that's just not that's not an investment to me. That's a Hail Mary to me.
Yeah, Captain's saying they're devaluing your loss by issuing you more shares. Isn't that funny? That is our take.
that's their most positive aspect, is they're spreading their loss across more people.
That's our take for Moderna.
That's pretty funny.
Great product. Not so much.
Is it a great product? I don't know.
I just said that. I don't even know. Thanks so much for watching the video. We hope you were intrigued. If this style of investing speaks to you, click the link below to join our Patreon. As a patron, you get access to a wonderful community of like-minded investors where you can chat, connect, ask questions, and share ideas with badasses like you all over the world. The best part is you get the amazing Everything Money software. This is revolutionary, unlike any YouTube page. You can track your investments, look at stocks, and quickly run our 8-pillar analysis on any company you like. The top tier patrons get direct access to Paul and Trader Mo. You'll see their daily trades, their updated portfolios, and every options contract they write on a daily basis. We provide Patreon exclusive videos just for you, including live streams and exclusive content from our team. Our bottom patron tiers fill fast, so join today. But hey, if you don't believe me, look at all of our patrons' amazing success stories. In comparison to other financial platforms, our software is by far the best value. This is your chance to get serious about investing. If you're finally ready to level up your investing game, join our Patreon and let's start kicking ass together.